Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Kraken Pool easy. First, you'll need to set up and verify your Kraken account. This ensures a secure environment for your assets. Once verified, deposit the cryptocurrency you wish to stake into your account. Kraken supports a variety of digital assets for staking, offering flexibility. Then, locate the staking section within the Kraken platform to see available options. Next, explore the different cryptocurrencies available for staking. Each asset offers varying estimated annual rewards, so choose one that aligns with your goals. Pay attention to the minimum staking amounts required for participation. Also, be aware of any unbonding periods, which is the time it takes to unstake your assets, typically a few days to several weeks, before you can access them again. Once you've selected your preferred asset, you'll enter the amount you wish to stake. Kraken will display the estimated rewards you can expect. Carefully review the terms and conditions, including any fees or lockup periods. After confirming everything looks correct, proceed to execute the staking transaction. Your assets will then begin earning rewards, often paid out regularly. Finally, you can easily monitor your staking performance and earned rewards directly on the Kraken platform. You'll see regular updates on your earnings. If your plans change, you can unstake your assets, keeping in mind any unbonding periods. Remember to consider the tax implications of your staking rewards, as they are often considered taxable income in many regions. Kraken provides tools to help track these earnings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.